Davinci Resolve is an advanced video editing, color grading, and post-production software used by professionals in the film and television industries. Known for its industry-leading color grading tools, Davinci Resolve offers a comprehensive suite of features, including nonlinear video editing, visual effects, 3D compositing, and fair light audio post-production. The software's color grading tools are considered the best in the industry, providing precise control over color correction, grading, and matching shots, making it the go-to choice for many colorists. The editing interface is intuitive and highly customizable, allowing editors to organize their workflow in the most efficient way possible. Davinci Resolve's free version provides many professional-grade features, including multi-track editing, basic color grading, and 3D editing. For users who need more advanced features, the Studio version offers additional tools like enhanced noise reduction, 3D tools, and support for higher resolutions. One of the standout features of Davinci Resolve is its collaboration tools, which allow multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, making it ideal for team-based video production. Despite its impressive capabilities, Davinci Resolve can be demanding on system resources, especially when working with high-resolution video or complex effects. The learning curve is steep, but for video editors, colorists, and post-production professionals, Davinci Resolve provides a powerful and cost-effective solution that rivals other high-end video editing software.